Enabling or disabling low data mode on your iPhone 15 helps you manage data usage when connected to cellular networks or specific Wi-Fi networks, potentially saving on data costs and improving performance in low bandwidth situations. Here's how it's done. First, return to the home screen by swiping up from the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. In the Settings menu, scroll down and tap on Wi-Fi. Next to your connected Wi-Fi network, tap on the Information I button. Scroll down and tap on Low Data Mode. Tap the toggle switch to turn Low Data Mode on or off. When enabled, Low Data Mode helps reduce your iPhone's data usage over cellular networks or specific Wi-Fi networks. It pauses automatic updates and background tasks like photo syncing. To disable the feature, simply toggle the Low Data Mode switch to the off position. This feature is particularly useful when your iPhone is connected to a Wi-Fi hotspot that's using cellular data, preventing large downloads that could quickly deplete the hotspot's data allowance. Once you're done, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to return to the home screen, and that's it. Subscribe to this channel if you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.